Rose quartz, with its gentle pink hue, is a crystal that has captivated hearts for centuries. Its delicate color and soothing energy make it a favorite among crystal enthusiasts and healers alike. Often called the stone of unconditional love, rose quartz is believed to emit vibrations of love, compassion, and healing. These vibrations are thought to open the heart chakra, allowing for deeper emotional connections and a greater sense of empathy. Its soft energy promotes feelings of peace, tenderness, and comfort, making it a popular choice for those seeking emotional healing and spiritual growth. Many people use rose quartz during meditation to enhance their practice and connect with their inner selves. Whether in its raw, natural form or polished into beautiful jewelry pieces, rose quartz continues to enchant people worldwide. Its versatility allows it to be used in various forms, from decorative items to personal adornments. Its soothing energy is said to help mend broken hearts, attract new love, and deepen existing relationships. Couples often exchange rose quartz as a symbol of their enduring love and commitment. The gentle power of rose quartz reminds us of the importance of self-love, forgiveness, and acceptance. Incorporating rose quartz into daily self-care routines can enhance one's sense of well-being and promote a more loving and compassionate outlook on life. Rose quartz gets its delicate pink color from trace amounts of titanium, iron, or manganese present during its formation. These elements are incorporated into the crystal lattice as the quartz grows, giving it that signature soft pink hue. It is a variety of the quartz family, which is one of the most abundant minerals on Earth. Quartz can be found in a multitude of environments, from sedimentary rocks to hydrothermal veins, making it incredibly versatile. Rose quartz crystals form in pegmatites, which are igneous rocks that crystallize from magma or lava that cools slowly deep within the Earth's crust. This slow cooling process is essential for the formation of large crystals. The slow cooling process allows large, well-defined crystals to develop, giving rise to the beautiful specimens we often see. These crystals can take thousands of years to form, growing layer by layer over time. Rose quartz typically exhibits a translucent to transparent appearance, and its hardness on the Mohs scale is 7, making it a durable stone suitable for carving and shaping. This durability has made it a popular choice for jewelry and decorative items throughout history. One unique characteristic of rose quartz is that it rarely forms in well-defined crystals. Instead, it tends to form in a more amorphous state, lacking the sharp edges and faces seen in other quartz varieties. Instead, it is most commonly found in massive form, meaning it occurs in large, irregular masses without a distinct crystal structure. These massive forms can be quite large, sometimes weighing several tons, and are often used in sculptures and architectural elements. The use of rose quartz dates back to ancient civilizations, where it was cherished not only for its beauty, but also for its supposed mystical properties. The ancient Egyptians, known for their reverence for beauty and adornment, used rose quartz extensively in their beauty rituals, believing it held the key to eternal youth. They believed the stone could prevent wrinkles and preserve youthfulness, making it a staple in their daily skincare routines. They carved amulets and facial masks from rose quartz, believing in its power to enhance beauty and promote longevity. These artifacts were often buried with the dead to ensure their beauty in the afterlife. The Romans also held rose quartz in high regard, associating it with Venus and Adonis, their gods of love and beauty. They believed the stone could attract love and foster romantic relationships. They used rose quartz as a token of love and reconciliation, believing it could mend broken hearts and restore harmony to relationships. It was often exchanged between lovers as a symbol of their enduring affection. Throughout history, rose quartz has been treasured for its beauty and its perceived metaphysical properties, serving as a tangible symbol of love, peace, and healing in various cultures worldwide. Its legacy continues to this day, as people still turn to rose quartz for its supposed ability to bring emotional balance and inner peace.